Evolution is simply inevitable. This tiny world called Vellum has evolved a great deal this year, setting benchmarks, and so has one of its most progressive activities, Vellum News. We won't blame you if in the next few minutes you find yourself sitting at the edge of your seat, because we're going to be exposed to a very, very fascinating world. A world that refuses to sleep. A world we call Vellum. Go take a look.
Tell our viewers the reason behind Vellum Boys choosing environment as its theme this year.
Well, I think the answer is quite self-evident. If environment is such a critical issue for the coming generation, and I personally believe that it is, I think it's imperative that Vellum Boys leads from the front on this issue and leads by example, that we put our money where our mouth is. It's not enough to just talk about it at debating forums. It's not just enough to study it as a subject in the classrooms. But I think it's very important to do it, to live it, to breathe it, and to make it part of our existence.
It takes initiative to save the environment. And environment being Vellum's theme this year, the school has tried its level best to spread the message of becoming environment friendly in the town of Dehradun. Firstly, Vasundhara, a ballet on global warming and climate change, was performed in school by the students of Mount Sinai School, Ramnagar. The evening was given a perfect end by an inspiring speech from the chief guest, the governor of Uttarakhand. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy glimpses from Vasundhara.
खुदा ने इब्तिदा में जमीन और आसमान को पैदा वो प्यास के पपड़ी पड़े हो फिर बनाते महल सपनों का काश फिर सपने बुनते काश फिर सपने बुनते मन पर फिर यदि जीवन बूंदे सुनो सुनो फिर कोई आहट ले रहा है
Mother Nature has given this state of Uttarakhand all that we could ask for. The glaciers, the mountains, the forests, the Himalayan rivers, and a rich diversity of plants and animals, which are all being conserved through a network of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries.
In addition to this, the students of class 10 did not only recycle papers but also took charge of spreading awareness regarding environment conservation. Let's take a look at their efforts.
बशर बशर हर डगर डगर पर डगर डगर पर डगर डगर पर बिखर बिखर कर उमर उमर पर उमर उमर पर उमर उमर पर हरा हरा
आखिरकार 100 वेलम के छात्र, लड़के और लड़कियां दोनों की मेहनत रंग लाई। महीनों की तैयारी के बाद वेलम बॉयज और वेलम गर्ल्स ने मिलकर जस्मा उड़न नामक एक नाटक आयोजित किया। आइए देखें इस नाटक की निर्देशक को इसके बारे में क्या कहना है।
You also will go there to welcome the Bada.
I think that it has more than lived up to my expectations. The students are an extremely energetic, enthusiastic bunch of kids. Not all of them yet have managed to put aside their inhibitions and, perform in a comfortable manner. But that's the process of producing the play. It will take time. And there's a lot of desire to do something to make this institution a forward-looking, interesting place. But it's been great fun. I'm having a wonderful time. So I'm looking forward to the future as well. Then of course there was the problem of what kind of play we should do, because it was going to be this joint production between the Venom girls and the boys after a long time. So it was necessary to find a play where there were enough roles for girls as well as boys. I think Jasma Odan, the play that we are now doing, is suitable on all these various counts. I feel that it has enough parts for girls and boys, interesting parts. It's musical, and there is a lot of musical talent in both the schools. Dance is a big thing for both the schools. So from that point of view also, I thought that this is a play that can use all the skills that are available on campus, as it were. And I thought it might be a good idea for students to get a sense of the other India that is disappearing behind all the shopping malls that seem to be part of our existence now.
जगह पे जाके अलग से खड़ा हो जाओ। मैं तुझे सब देता हूँ। ऐसा मत कहो, हमारा पेट हमारे पीछे पड़ा है।
हमारा आगे है। हाँ, इसीलिए आप बच जाइए। कम से कम 20 घंटा।
कर्षण का लड़का है।